Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Cressi Compact Pro Octo. So this is a great alternate air source for any Cressi regulator. It's a very lightweight second stage. It comes as standard, as you can see, with a pretty long sort of rubber yellow hose. That's about 1 meter, maybe 90 centimeters long, so you get plenty of reach to donate it. Second stage itself is incredibly light, so it's great for the modern day traveling diver. The Compact Pro comes with this sort of chrome ring around the Purge button. That's where you know it's the Pro version. All of this yellow section, that's your Purge button. So this is a kind of soft, but it's actually quite tough sort of polymer. So that's not going to wear out anytime soon, but it's very easy to use even if you've sort of got sort of thick, clunky gloves on. The only adjustable section that you have on this second stage is the Venturi lever, the pre-dive lever on the top. So especially useful on octos. Switch it to pre-dive when you first go to jump in, because when you jump in the water, it's very rare that your octo is actually in your mouth. So if it's especially mouthpiece up, as soon as you hit the water, that's going to go into a free flow. When it's set to pre-dive though, it changes the direction of the airflow inside the second stage and interrupts that free flow before it starts. So at worst, you'll just get a little puff of air and that's it. To then improve the airflow whilst you're in the water, under the water, flick it to dive during any stage of the dive, and then that just improves the airflow so it's a little bit smoother to breathe from. Now the mouthpiece that they put on has two sort of different stiffnesses, as it were. So you get a softer material that's part of the mouthpiece, and then you get a harder material that's right on the bite point. So that means that it's going to take you a lot longer to actually wear through this mouthpiece, especially if your buddy's being sort of donated to. Chances are they're going to be stressed, so they're going to be biting down quite hard. It's quite important to have a very decent sort of mouthpiece on your octo. Other than that, a very simple octo, nice and lightweight, so it's great for the traveling diver. This is the Cressi Compact Pro Octo. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.